Muslims? We have Muslims here?
Yes, of course we have. I'm from Turkey. So you remember me?
If I remember you? I have to remember you? You're from Turkey? You came to Funny Monday show maybe? Okay. And you're Muslim? Now, first of all, marhaba. Saha alik. רגע, תן לי להשוויץ. תפadal, welcome. Welcome. Islam is the language with the most blessing. That's the language with the most blessing. Am I right, my friend?
I don't know.
So say yes, what do you care? What's the point of... They're gonna find you outside. You were wrong, it's not... No one cares. Lie. Now Muslim have a problem to lie? Lie, help. So, it's the most blessing language. And also the most violent at the same time. And I love that you guys don't drink alcohol. I love it, my friend.
Oh, I drink.
This guy's not helping the show at all. I love in general that Muslims not allowed to drink alcohol. Because you can imagine what we're facing now is without the alcohol. I'm happy we're here. That shows the difference between you and us. I'm happy you're here. Welcome. You're always welcome here. And I love you. And I think that we are the future. People like you that they don't mind to come to ask if someone check him. To make sure I love you, but history told me to. I don't. Love is love. Life I want to live. You know that's.